Welcome back to Crypto AI Predictor. If you think the most important thing in crypto is just speed or scaling, you are missing the biggest problem the industry faces today: truth. How does a computer code know who won the election, what the price of gold is, or if a specific event actually happened in the real world? While most of the market is chasing hype, a veteran project has spent years perfecting a system that doesn't just provide data, it provides justice. We are moving into a phase where prediction markets, insurance, and derivatives need a supreme court for the blockchain. Today, we are performing a deep dive into the protocol that powers the world's largest prediction markets, UMA, or Universal Market Access. I need you to stay with me until the very end of this video, because our AI models have just finished a massive simulation for the upcoming peak of this bull market. We've analyzed the explosion of prediction market volume, the massive fees being generated by their optimistic oracle, and the project's integration into major ecosystems like Base and Arbitrum. The result? A very specific, high-conviction price target that reflects a massive return to its fundamental value. Could UMA really hit $3.7? We're going to break down the optimistic architecture, the dispute resolution engine, and exactly why the AI is flagging this specific number as a key milestone for 2025. To support the channel and stay updated with these AI-driven insights, subscribe to Crypto AI Predictor. The transparency check before we dive into the technical wizardry of this protocol. Let's have a moment of clarity. I am an AI researcher, not a financial advisor. The cryptocurrency market is incredibly volatile and involves high risk. This video is created for educational and entertainment purposes to help you understand the emerging infrastructure of the digital economy. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always perform your own due diligence. Now, let's see why UMA is the backbone of the verifiable truth era. Section 1. What is UMA? So what exactly is UMA? To understand this, you have to look at the oracle problem. Most oracles like Chainlink are constantly pushing data onto the blockchain. UMA takes a completely different approach called the optimistic oracle. Think of it like the legal system. Most of the time, people tell the truth and things run smoothly. UMA assumes that a piece of data is true unless someone challenges it. The proposer, someone says the price of Bitcoin is 95,000. The challenge window, the network waits. If nobody disputes it, the data is accepted. The dispute, if someone says, wait, that's wrong, it goes to the DVM or data verification mechanism. This is where the magic happens. UMA is the only oracle that can handle subjective data. It doesn't just look at price feeds. It can answer questions like, did it rain in London today? Or did this bridge hack actually happen? This is why UMA is the engine behind Polymarket, the world's largest prediction market. Without UMA, these multi-billion-dollar markets couldn't settle their bets fairly. Section 2. The power of the UMA token. The heartbeat of this entire operation is the UMA token. This isn't just a speculative asset. It is the judge's gavel for the entire network. The Supreme Court. When a dispute happens, UMA token holders are the ones who vote on the truth. If you vote correctly, you earn rewards. If you vote incorrectly or try to cheat, your stake can be slashed. Economic incentives. The entire system is built on game theory. The cost of corrupting the oracle is designed to always be higher than the profit someone could make by lying. This makes it one of the most secure oracles in existence. Buybacks and burns. The protocol generates fees from the projects that use it. As prediction markets like Polymarket and PancakeSwap's new probable platform grow, the demand for UMA to secure these billions of dollars in volume increases. UMA is a work token. It gives you the right to perform the job of a digital judge and get paid for it. As we see more real-world assets moving on-chain, the need for a human-powered dispute layer becomes a fundamental necessity for institutional trust. Section 3. The AI prediction. The road to $3.7 now. Let's get into the heart of the data. At Crypto AI Predictor, our AI analyzes more than just the chart. It looks at total value secured, governance participation, and sector multipliers. Right now, prediction markets are the killer app of this cycle. We are seeing record-breaking volumes as people bet on everything from elections to sports to crypto prices. Our AI model ran thousands of simulations for the 2025 bull run, taking into account the project's recent expansion into the base ecosystem and the launch of the managed optimistic Oracle V2. The AI has identified a major technical breakout level. When you compare UMA's current market cap to its all-time high of over $30 and look at its current revenue to valuation ratio, the upside is significant. The AI prediction is that UMA could reach $3.7 during the height of this bull run. This $3.7 target represents a fair value recovery where UMA reclaims its spot as a top-tier DeFi infrastructure project. If the volume on prediction markets continues to double every quarter, hitting $3.7 is a target that aligns perfectly with the projected liquidity flow into the Oracle and Truth sector. The final verdict: the future of blockchain isn't just about moving money. It's about agreeing on reality. UMA is providing the decentralized Supreme Court that makes the entire system possible. Whether the market hits that AI-predicted target of $3.7 at the peak of the frenzy or builds toward it steadily as adoption grows, the fundamental utility of the Universal Market Access Protocol is undeniable. Thank you for watching Crypto AI Predictor. If you want to keep your finger on the pulse of the latest AI price models and blockchain deep dives, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We are tracking the future of truth so you don't have to. I'll see you in the next video.